Mga brad, alas 10 na ng umaga. What is this? Already 13 hours working. I'm like, mga brad, pagod na ako. Pero okay lang. Kaya ko pa. See? This is what you call engineer. We are engineer. Fucking engineer like oilers, no? Yes, we look like trash, but we have pocket full of cash. See? Shit. What is this? See my body also fucking... Shit. Oh. See? Fucking shit. What is this? How do I look? I look bad or what? Still look good, no? Very bad. Bro, tingnan ko. Papalit ako ng boiler suit. This is the life at sea. What is this? Fucking life at sea. Oh, what is that? Okay. I'll go for food because it's already 10 a.m. Fucking shit. Shit, after bossing will call. Enough. Bye-bye. 5 months more, Philippines. Bye-bye. Oh, fuck.